It's a large enough movement that I'm even talking about it, that the earth might be flat.
We're about to go into a dark winter. A dark winter.
Winter is coming.
Dark winter.
Might just be the cold.
Dark
Winter is coming.
It's cold outside. I don't know. Winter is coming. Vladimir was cold. It doesn't appear to be going anywhere.
And winter is coming!
We're cold. Winter is coming.
Dark winter.
Winter is coming.
That's cold.
Large enough movement.
Winter's coming.
Cold.
It's cold and it's wet.
Well, when we have the vaccine,
Winter
we have the
is
military
coming.
all lined up, and the military is going to be doing it in a very powerful manner.
Winter is coming.
I imagine you might be rather cold.
There won't be another war, not the kind we know. War has changed. You can't even trust your own troops anymore.
What we want to do in Davos is to push the reset
What we want to do in Davos this year in this respect is to large enough movement that I even talking about it, that the earth might be flat.
We all need to leave now!
The earth might be flat.
One issue that has come up is once you do have a vaccine, how do you properly distribute it? How do you get it out quickly? Well, when we have the vaccine, we have the military all lined up, and the military is going to be doing it in a very powerful manner.
Just put the dot around him, put him on a trailer and walk him. And then probably somebody else to pick him up. Whoever's doing it knows what he's doing.
So we, we'll have to prepare for the next one. That, I'd say is, will get attention this time.
What we want to do in Davos is to push the reset.
Someone set up as the plan.
Push the reset button. Push the reset button.